Welcome to our Heiress tool tutorial. I'm going to show you the finer points of how to hold the Heiress tool. So first step is to grip right here at the base of the tool with your thumb and your middle finger. So you want the blade of the tool to be pointing directly forward from your fingertips. And then go ahead and rest your index finger in the saddle. And it's literally resting there. It's not gripping, it's resting. All of your grip is between these two fingers. So grip there. The rest of the wrist, the hand is relaxed. You can use the ring finger as support to the back of the tool if you need to, but you can get that nice twist at the base of the tool. So once you get that grip, then you can go ahead and place it on your practice pad. Looking at the way the blades are extending from the tool, the angle is perfect for the tool to sit vertically on the skin and all of the blades be touching the skin. That's the goal for the angle to hold the tool. Obviously, we don't want to angle to the side or this side. We want it vertical off of the skin. So go ahead, practice making those little strokes.